Hi everyone, and I'm Pallavi from Niswey, a HubSpot Elite partner. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and tell you how to reset your account and then change your phone number using the NisWire Telegram HubSpot integration. To do that, I would request you to first log into your Telegram web portal or your Telegram phone, and then navigate to the top 3 section and click on Settings. Further, click on Devices, and over here you have a small option of Nistel where you have to deactivate or terminate. So click on it and then click on Terminate. Once it's terminated, we need to uninstall the NisWire application from your HubSpot portal and then reinstall it. So let's go to our connected apps section here in HubSpot portal. Click on Uninstall. Now your NisWire app is successfully uninstalled. Now go ahead to reinstall. Click on Authorize Now. Go ahead and choose the particular account that you would want to configure it. Yes. Once done, click on Connect App. Let's go ahead and reinstall. This is my new number that I would want to configure for, and to confirm, let's just enter the code that we received. So this goes ahead and resets your account as well as your number. And in order to configure the bot, you can go through our bot configuration video. So as of now, this is how you go ahead and change or reset your account and your phone number as well. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected to your NisWire portal, and you can choose the account that you had installed for. And this is the end for going ahead and resetting your account and changing your phone number. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.